because of that.
Moving south at 50
Okay.
knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
SMW.
Source, radar indicated.
That was unexpected.
Intact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly
Oh, yeah, I
winds
forgot
and
to
suddenly
turn.
higher waves. Locations impacted include Raritan Bay. Voters should stay
Only
safe
Raritan
harbor
Bay?
immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm.
That was unexpected, I
Keep calm on
guess.
the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Wait, what? That was literally an unexpected SMW.
Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.
What the hell?
Tonight, partly cloudy.
I don't understand how that came out of nowhere, bro.
Lows in the upper 60s. North winds around 5 miles.
Dude, what the heck? SMW, yeah.